Welcome to a news video. Let's cut your curiosity short and let me tell you some very important news if you're interested in Vechain. Cathie Woods has made this statement that she believes that Vechain will reach $10 per vet, and that is a huge statement to make.
What the hell are you talking about?
Before we go in depth, we'll have a short introduction from the sources we've collected and state the very services. So, do you know who Cathie Woods is? As far as the information we've collected from Wikipedia, Wood was born in Los Angeles, the oldest child of immigrants from Ireland. Wood's father served in the Irish Army and the United States Air Force and became a successful radar system engineer who was very detail-oriented and pushed Catherine to discover connections between things. In 1974, Wood graduated from Notre Dame Academy in Los Angeles, an all-girls Catholic high school. In 1981, Wood graduated summa cum laude from the University of Southern California with a Bachelor of Science degree in finance and economics. One of Woods' professors was economist Arthur Laffer, who became Wood's mentor. In 1977, via her mentor Arthur Laffer, Wood got a job as an assistant economist at Capital Group, where she worked for 3 years. In 1980, she moved to New York City to take a job at Jennison Associates as chief economist, analyst, portfolio manager, and managing director. She worked there for 18 years. In the early 1980s, she debated Henry Kaufman on why she believed interest rates had peaked. In 1998, along with Lulu C. Wang, Wood co-founded Tupelo Capital Management, a hedge fund based in New York City. In 2001, she joined AllianceBernstein as Chief Investment Officer of Global Thematic Strategies, where she worked for 12 years managing $5 billion. She was criticized for performing worse than the overall market during the financial crisis of 2007 to 2008. In 2014, after her idea for actively managed exchange-traded funds based on disruptive innovation was deemed too risky by AllianceBernstein, Wood left the company and founded ARK Invest. The company is named after the Ark of the Covenant. Wood was reading the one-year Bible at the time. ARK's first 4 ETF funds were seeded with capital from Bill Wang of Archegos Capital. Wood was named the best stock picker of 2020 by Bloomberg News editor-in-chief emeritus Matthew A. Winkler. Wood is known for making bold predictions. Wood received considerable media attention in February 2018 after she stated on CNBC that she believed Tesla stock could reach a price of $4,000 in 5 years, a 1,100% increase from its price at the time, and reiterated the claim in May 2019 after its price had dropped 29%. While Wood's statement was widely ridiculed at the time, Tesla's price reached her target on a split-adjusted basis 2 years early in January 2021. In November 2020, she stated that she believed Bitcoin could reach a price of $500,000. As of March 2021, 2 funds run by Wood were on the list of the 10 largest female-run funds by total net assets. As far as Vechain is concerned, so Vechain offers a lot, because of which it is expected to go higher and higher. Vechain is a company established in 2015 that provides blockchain-based solutions for businesses by leveraging the power of its Vechain Thor blockchain. The company has deep ties to the Chinese industry and government and seeks to strengthen these bonds further. Most of its partnerships are also with China. VET was launched in 2015 as part of a Shanghai-based blockchain-as-a-service company, also known as BaaS company. In short, Vechain is a distributed business ecosystem leveraging blockchain technology. It's specifically designed to be used by both small and big businesses. It's not limited to the factor of only being used by big businesses. The public blockchain of Vechain is called Vechain Thor. The Vechain Foundation is there in Singapore and oversees the development, governance, and advancement of the Vechain ecosystem. Vechain is considered a very mature company by some, with many real-world business applications already existing on the Vechain Thor blockchain. Many of the businesses have considered adopting this to do business. The chain white paper released states that these solutions are not just theoretical. They are solutions tested and discussed with over 700 enterprises and implemented for over 100 plus Fortune-level enterprises. Very well. Not on this Vechain's parent body has been given a 5-star rated blockchain service certificate from TÜV Saarland, a European certification body that grades these sorts of digital companies according to their level of work. The Vechain works by its Vechain Thor blockchain. It works similarly to other business-use blockchain platforms. Businesses use Vechain's full functional blockchain-as-a-service SaaS product called Toolchain Vechain to build their blockchain-based solutions. Vechain Thor also supports smart contracts not restricted to the big ones. Only a single transaction on the Vechain Thor blockchain can carry out multiple tasks. In addition, Vechain app users don't need to hold any crypto to perform transactions. If you don't want to be involved in it, you can choose it for yourself. It's not obligatory for you to hold crypto. This can be done instead by the app owners, which can make the user experience more convenient for the average user. So the VET blockchain provides the facilities, then it's up to the application makers how much they try to facilitate its users. The Vechain Thor blockchain uses proof of authority (POA) consensus, which delegates power to certain nodes in the Vechain Thor blockchain for confirming transactions. This means that it only passes transactional blocks through authority master nodes that need to hold at least 25 million VET. Vechain is famous for its deep ties to China, a critical blockchain market that is difficult to enter for non-Chinese companies. The company is headquartered in Singapore, while it has an office in Shanghai. Moreover, the organization also has many business partners with solutions that already exist in the real world on the Vechain Thor blockchain. In addition, you can store VET and VTHO as well as several other crypto assets in the Vechain Thor official Lite wallet on iOS and Android. The official desktop wallet is Vechain Sync, which can also be used with the ledger for cold wallet storage. Third-party wallets that can store VET and VTHO include Trust Wallet, Kobo Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Arcane Wallet, MySafe Wallet, Guarda Wallet, Elipal, Exodus, and so on and so forth. As we all know, there is an increasing number of crypto tokens outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum that have a real shot at surviving the world of cryptocurrencies that has 6,700 others to bring the other down. These have a real chance at not only surviving in the crypto space but also at thriving and becoming highly successful businesses in the long term. Vechain to be one, if not the most solid and expensive project in the crypto space. Now we're going to make you choose the decision about whether to invest in VET for the long term. As said before, Vechain is a company that is fully dedicated to solving one of the most common problems in the business world: supply chain traceability and quality assurance. During the COVID-19, all of us thought that the supply chain got heavily disrupted, especially when it came to food traceability and food safety assurance. Cases of expired meats, fruits, and vegetables became quite common during this time. Workers in poultry processing facilities got infected by COVID-19 at an alarming rate, rendering these products as a dangerous choice for the average consumer. According to an IBM study, 71% of those surveyed indicated that traceability is very important, and they are willing to pay an average premium of 37% for brands that provide it. This is where Vechain comes in. According to our sources, with such incredible business partnerships and real use cases, Vechain has what it takes to grow steadily or maybe exponentially within the next 5 to 10 years. If Vechain continues following their roadmap, increasing their partnerships and implementing their Vechain toolchain platform within more businesses, they will end up carving up a good portion of the supply chain sector, catapulting them into massive success. After the cryptocurrency boom in 2017, the market has been flooded with new altcoins, but there are some projects that succeed in standing out above the rest. Vechain is one of them. Also, did you know that the Vechain project began in 2007, even though its cryptocurrency token was launched much later, years after it was launched, and the project has greatly evolved since then? Vechain is indeed one of the oldest projects. 2017 was a great year for Vechain as it grew to become the 22nd most valuable cryptocurrency with a current market cap of $2 billion. This leads us to our next question. What does the Vechain forecast look like? What is its predicted price? Now we'll talk about some of the most authentic and top predictions for Vechain. From our sources, Roger Ver, who is also referred to as Bitcoin Jesus, is one of the most powerful voices in the cryptocurrency universe. Can you guess what his opinion about Vechain is? He thinks that Vechain has a bright future because it's trying to solve real-world problems and has applications serving many industries. He also tweeted in great favor of Vechain, showing his interest in this regard. There are several other reputable sources who have made a Vechain price prediction in 2021 based on factors such as past trends, team, technological advancements, and market sentiments. One such source is smarterium.com, which regularly publishes cryptocurrency predictions. A few years back, they predicted that the price of Vechain won't go up much from the value of $0.011. However, its price is $0.03 in 2021, and the prediction for 2021 seems brighter as ever. Smarterium.com have based their Vechain price prediction on the fact that it's a very versatile blockchain with numerous applications. However, they also feel that Vechain could be more volatile because it's lesser known as compared to other top cryptocurrencies. Moving forward, walletinvestor.com also gives a long-term price prediction for Vechain. It claims the VET price will increase to $0.046 in 1 year and will go up to 10 cents once in 5 years. Now that you've got a clearer picture, this makes Vechain one of the better long-term investments, and you must have understood this by now. Some of the other crypto experts also have a lot to say about VET, as in March 2018, Vechain brought on Tim Draper as one of their investors. If you don't know Tim Draper, let me tell you that he is a Silicon Valley legend. Not only is he a renowned investor in many Silicon Valley companies, such as Tesla owned by Elon Musk, but he's also a big believer in cryptocurrencies. He had invested a lot of money in Bitcoin at the time when its price was just $6. Imagine how much money he has by now. Vechain has received huge validation by securing support from such a seasoned investor and a known voice in the cryptocurrency universe. As per the 5-year prediction by smarterium.com made in 2018, the price of Vechain could reach as high as $75. Smarterium.com expects Vechain to provide complete integration of the blockchain-based platform with the actual business world. This would help in making blockchain more and more accessible for companies on a mainstream basis. These were all the points that we could cover in this video for you, so you could get a clearer picture of why VET is going to be one of the most expensive altcoins out there. But it's more important that you understand there are risks involved in the cryptocurrency market. Not small, but huge risks. The cryptocurrency market has performed unpredictably in the past, and it still does, and nobody really knows how it will act in the future. It could be exactly how predicted by many experts and researchers, or it can also be a total opposite of what is to be expected. It can go down 1 minute, but it can also reach the top of the sky the next minute. The volatility that cryptocurrency has is very unpredictable. So before making your investments, do your share of research or watch our videos, but at the end, the ball will always be in your court. This was all for today. See you until next time.